Hi, today we will learn about the phrase get somebody into bed. It means helping or persuading someone to go to bed. You often hear it when parents talk about their children. For example, I need to get my daughter into bed early. It can also mean convincing someone to cooperate or be romantic. Remember, somebody means somebody. The phrase is transitive, so you always need an object. Say, get him into bed, not get into bed him. Use it when you want to talk about putting someone to sleep or when persuading someone to join your plan. For example, they got the new client into bed quickly. It is informal and common in daily speech. Don't confuse it with put somebody to bed. That one means simply placing someone in bed. Try to use it in sentences like, I got my son into bed after the story. Practice makes perfect. Try to make your own sentences now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.